In this section, we're going to be talking about idempotency and configuration management. Now, what is idempotency? Idempotence is the property of a process where it doesn't matter how many times you do it, it always ends the same. If you do it once or you do it 1,000 times, the result is always the same. Now, in mathematics, the absolute value function is one such function. Every time we apply the absolute function, we end up with the same answer. And we can keep doing that, and it will always end the same. And in configuration management, that's very important. In general, we attempt to describe the end state rather than the steps required to get to that state. Puppet's in charge of the magic. We only need to put something like ensure SSH is running, and that's it. We don't care what the state of that is. We just want to make sure that at the end of our run, it's running. So let's look on our machine. Because I know how to check, I'll do system control status SSHD. We'll see that it's running right now. So if I look at this manifest and I try to apply it, we'll see that Puppet will notice that it's running and it won't make any change. And because I've also said I wish to enable it, so ensure means that it's running, and enable means that it will start when the machine boots. And that is a different command. We can say system control disable SSHD. And this means that SSH will not start when the machine is turned on. If we run our Puppet manifest again, we'll see that Puppet noticed that change and put it back. But when I run the second time, there is no change. And this is very important, and